Hi, this is the Chocolate Man, the Afro-Jamaican-Canadian in Kingston, Jamaica. I am at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica. Well, hello, my peeps. It's me again, the Afro-Jamaican-Canadian, and I just touched down, or should I say landed, in Kingston, Jamaica at the Norman Manley International Airport. Now, while I'm waiting for them to process the documents rather, so I can get my rental car to zip on home, I will just browse through the hotel lobby and maybe head upstairs to have something to eat. And after they announce that the car is ready, I will just zip on home. So what's up, my peeps? What's up? Yes, this is something I do every year. I reside in Canada in the spring, summer, and fall. But when it comes to winter time, no sir, I head off to my winter home in the Philippines. But before I go to the Philippines, I like to touch down in Hong Kong to see some of my Oriental friends. You know, say ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Then when I leave, I say Zhejian. Then I also stop over in Thailand to see some of my other Asian friends. Then after I finish digesting all of that, I just say, hello Philippines, here I come, where my beautiful Asian princess is waiting for me. Jamaica, or as the Jamaica, or as the Rastaman would say, Jamaica. Okay, stroll along or roll along with me as I stroll through this airport while they're processing the documents for my rental car, so I can just jump in and zoom on home. You know, maybe because it's during the week, but it's kind of unusual to see this big airport. It's so scanty with almost no people inside the airport. But you know, it is what it is. You know, I guess because it's just a weekday, you know, during the week. And I don't know, maybe it's because it's winter. Nobody is going anywhere outside of Jamaica in a warm climate to a cold climate. After all, me as a Canadian, why do I leave Canada and come to the warm climate? Because I want to get away from the cold climate. You know, but who knows? You never know. Maybe roll with the punches when you go in down life's highway. It is what it is. Only the strong survive. Then again, for me, because I'm a boss, a follower, I'm not a follower, I'm a leader. I can deal with any situation. So, pick up your nice clean self, you all. So the thing go, and if you don't know the thing, you don't know. I'm about to ride this elevator in the airport and go upstairs to have lunch. And while I'm having lunch, I am going to say thank you, God, for making it possible for me to be able to afford it, to get away from my Canadian winter. Yes, Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. So, what's up, y'all? Hello to you all in the Philippines. I'll be coming home soon. But while I'm here in Jamaica, I am going to have a wonderful time. And what can I say? When you're a boss, everything is possible. When I was younger, I grind, and I made sure I laid the foundation. So today, I can just enjoy.
Hello.
As we continue with the boarding of Inter-Caribbean's flight JY251 with service from Cialis, all customers are being asked to make your way to Evening Time for boarding.
Yo, big shout out going out to my Kenyan, African bros in the Bohanso village, if that's the way it's pronounced. Big shout out going out to Brother Dougie, Hello Baby Official, and the young boss, Davy Jr. I see what y'all doing to assist the less fortunate people in your village.
Good morning.
Guys, big up for that. Yes, I see what's going on. What y'all doing is, because fortunately for me, as a Canadian, I grind when I was younger. So I'm in a position now financially that whereby I don't have to worry for the rest of my life. However, it takes discipline. I'm going to sing a little song I wrote. I'm going to sing it to you note by note. But don't worry, be happy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Don't worry, be happy. I'm gonna sing a little song I wrote. I'm gonna sing it to you note by note. But don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy.
Hello. No.
I'm gonna sing a little song I wrote. I'm gonna sing it to you note by note. But don't worry, be happy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh.
Hi.
Don't worry, be happy. I'm gonna sing a little song I wrote. I'm gonna sing it to you note by note. But don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Hi, this is the Chocolate Man, the Afro-Jamaican-Canadian in Kingston, Jamaica. To be exact, I'm in New Kingston, Uptown, Kingston, Jamaica. Hi, this is the Chocolate Man, the Afro-Jamaican-Canadian in Kingston, Jamaica. To be exact, I'm in New Kingston, Uptown, Kingston, Jamaica.